Beside me is the magnificent Yangtze River. We are at the Titan port. Everything is automatic and it uses solar energy.
We have installed over 1,500 square meters of solar panels, generating 3.7 million kilowatt hours of clean electricity annually, enough to power the port's daily operations.
Since 2007, we have partnered with the port to electrify, reducing the carbon dioxide emissions 115,000 trees. Have you noticed how quiet of the large ships?
How is it possible? Why is it that there's less noise at this port?
We have 98 shower power units, eliminating the noise and the pollutions of diesel power generators. So the initiative alone cuts over 102 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually.
I'm so happy there's a policy to protect the river, and I also love the fact that everything is automated. This is so amazing and so sustainable.